We're gonna be doing the MIP challenge, and please subscribe to Baby Mario Gaming. And this account is called JPanda09428, and we are gonna be doing the Molly Bean challenge only using our mouth. And I'm gonna get my Mimi. And okay, so
Mimi, a shout out.
And my Mimi is right here.
Happy Mother's Day, everybody.
Okay, so now we're going to start. 3, 2, 1.
Here you go, Jacob.
You're eating all the beans.
Mia, you can't eat any.
Why?
Hurry up, Jacob. 29 seconds. Stay away from the camera. Go, Jacob, go. 45 seconds.
Look at you go. Here's a...
Don't show it. Don't forget to chew. In a minute and 5 seconds.
Don't forget to chew.
A minute and 10 seconds.
Don't forget
Look
to
at
chew.
this little boy eating these man beans like crazy. But don't worry, you'll be seeing more channels. Videos about this. Me, cameraman. Hurry up, go, Jacob, go. You got this. Those Annie beans don't know what's coming.
Go, Jake, go.
A minute and 30 seconds.
But...
This Sunday is one of the most
A minute and 49 seconds. Let's go, Jake. Hey, all those Annie beans, those are all the skin parts.
Stop, y'all.
So,
This is my little friend.
Sonic, what do you want to say to the camera?
I have a big nose.
Well, that was his video for today, his first video. Say,
Goodbye, and please subscribe to Baby Mario. I meant Tyler's video.
yeah, Tyler's video, whatever. And say, leave
Have
a
good
like,
day.
and I hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. Bye.
Have a good day on Mother's Day, and happy Mother's Day.